Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel here at Pippin and Dippin Academy. My name is Joe Von Grigton, and I have my partner in crime, Hunter, the Pip Hunter Burkett, with me. Hunter, you want to say hello?
What's going on, guys? What's going on?
What is going on? Right on. Well, we're going to tell you just in a sec what's going on, because we're going to show you some market maker setups. But before we do that, if you're a first-time visitor, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notified anytime we have a new video that we post for you. We have tons of great video content here for you. And if there's something that you're looking for in particular that's relative to the market maker strategy and you don't see it on our channel, please put it in the comment section. Say you'd like to see a video on it. We just did trend resets for somebody that had commented and did a whole video on trend resets for them. So we'd also like you to say I subscribed, even if you have no questions or comments. And definitely, if you like this video, pound the like button. It helps us out with our YouTube rating so that we rank higher, so we can help out more people like yourself. So without further ado, today we're going to talk to you about some market maker setups. Specifically, we're going to talk about USDCAD and CADJPY. Hunter's going to show you some live charts here in just a second. But before we do, check out our descriptions. There's tons of resources and content in there. We do have our academy. All the information is there. Go check it out. I'll remind you again at the end of the video. But without further ado, I want to hand it over to my partner in crime here, Hunter. You ready to rock, brother?
I'm ready to rock.
Right on. He's going to give some sauce, guys. He's from Texas. I'm from California. So it's the sweet and spicy, man. He's bringing the sauce. I make it a little sweet. So.
All right, guys. Share my screen, and you guys know that what's the first thing? See, that's the thing, guys. It's like let's take this for instance. Let's take CADJPY first. Okay, we understand that this is a peak formation high. Okay, we know that. Okay, and you establish that. Okay, so and there's other ways that you can figure out, what a peak formation high is and things like that. And we've taught all on this channel how to figure out peak formation highs and lows. Okay. If it's a 4-hour shark fan, if it's counting your ADR, you can see here, guys, we had a big, what's the ADR daily on CADJPY, Joe?
It is 62 currently, sir.
62 currently. So let's just say, 3 weeks ago it was 70. So we had 280 pip run here. Okay, and then we had a multi-day session in pattern, a drop. Okay, trend reset. Okay, because of the peak formation low here and such a significant rise here. Okay, of 200 and something pips, which was more than the 3 times ADR. Okay, so once we got that, we got the trend reset, and then guys, remember, go back and watch the trend resets. I show you that you'll recount your ADR. So from here to here was 130, and Joe says inside the video that on a trend reset they're going to run about 70 to 80% of the ADR and then the reverse. Right? They don't run typically, not all the time. Sometimes they do run a full ADR after a trend reset, but most of the time they do not. So after you got that rise there, you establish a peak formation low, multi-day in pattern, ugly looking in pattern, and then we started to drop. Right, then you start to look for what's next. What trade's next, right? And guys, you know that we like to get a stop hunt to the high at an Asian and then continuation, right? We didn't get that Wednesday. We didn't get that Thursday of last week. We did get that Friday. Okay, we do have a 1350 cross here. Okay, boom. Okay, we do got a 5200 cross here. So we got into, you guys know, typically with the EMA crosses, you can start to, see your levels. Okay, 1350 cross, after it crosses is typically level 1. Okay, 5200 cross. After it crosses, typically level 2, and then you got a level 3. Okay, now you've seen how price come up here. Okay, we started to get a pullback right here, and it didn't give us a continuation set. Okay, Friday straight into Asian, we get a big rise, stop punt to the high, and what did we get? A beautiful, guys. The reason why I'm showing you this, the reason why I was like, Joe, let's shoot another video on market maker setups, because I gotta show them this set, right? Because this set alone is exactly what you want to see. Okay, you can trade this, nothing but this set all the time, 100% of the time, and you're gonna wreck the game, right? From the top here, high to the low here was only 145 pips, right? Which is, we still have some room to run. Okay, and Joe and I knew that, so we pop here, and who cares, guys? Who cares that there was just one setup, you know, this week? Just to say, if you were able to catch this one setup, guys, if you're trading other correlating pairs, you can bet that they set up, you know, normally kind of like this, right? So say GJ, for instance, has JPY on the same side, it performed as well. Okay, so we'll break, and you guys know 1 hour shark fin produces what? 15-minute M or W. Okay, I'll even mark this one up, this 1 hour shark fin here, and I'll show you that, you know, this could have been a potential trade, maybe in a loss, but then the next day you got your loss back and some, right? So we'll go to the 15. Okay, there's your peak formation high. We know that. Okay, we do got a type 2. We pin to the top Asian high on this. We get a shift candle here. Close below 13. Close below the market baseline. We start to get it. This time, guys, is just not our trading time. It's after New York session. So you know what you need to expect when you start to come out of New York, and you know what's next. It's pretty much consolidation for the rest of the day, right? So to take a trade right there at the end of New York is a little risky, right? So this was a no trade for Pippin and Dippin right here. Okay, now guys, phenomenal trade. Okay, we get a stop hunt to the high. Okay, remember how I taught you guys what they're doing here. Okay, stop hunt to the high. Okay, breakout traders. Okay, they want to induce people to go long, right? Okay, now if somebody missed this move, they missed the move, right? But let's get the pullback, and they're thinking it's going to continue, right? Because you got this big, nice bullish candle. Everybody's like, oh my God, here we go, we're going to the moon. Boom! Look how it breaks this high. Okay, they hang around for a little minute, and then see ya. Guys, that's exactly a market maker move. Stop hunt to the high, consolidate, right? Which is what we call an M pattern, price action, right? They run the stops high, they pull it back, they get a few more orders, right? Get more breakout traders right here. Whoever was selling right here that was right about the trade, they took their stop losses out, because you know that they had their stop losses right there at the high. Okay, so they've done multiple things at this area. They've done multiple things at this area. Okay, not only did they take out sellers that were selling right here, okay, because they seen the shark fin, fine. They took out breakout traders that were buying right here, and they took their stop losses out on the second leg. Okay, that's exactly what they're doing here. And then what? Boom. What do you got here, guys? You got a beautiful shift candle, nice bearish candle, right? What do you have here? You got some morning star, dojis, nice candlestick patterns to the on the second leg, which is exactly what you want to see. And then let me mark vertical line. Boom. Okay, you got a shark out of the water, back in the water, right? What else do you got? Heavy strong divergence. Heavy strong divergence. Okay, divergence here. You can see that the price is telling you one thing and TDI is telling you another. Okay, and then you got a cross of the 50 static line on the TDI. Okay, the 50 line entry. Okay, and what did we show you? Let me zoom in on this trade. What did we show? What did we show you guys? You know, on trades like this, even on your set, guys, on these candles, you can see that the candles pull back all the time. Okay, they got wicks, all this. Okay, if you want to maximize your trade, guys, when you see this candle close, never enter on a candle that hasn't closed yet. Okay, that is pretty much shooting yourself in the foot. Don't do that. Okay, so when this candle closes, enter the market. Okay, enter the market, and then 9 times out of 10, not every time, guys, 9 times out of 10, it's going to pull back 33% and 50% of the candle. Okay, so in that time, in that pullback, you can get 2 more entries out of this, which Joe and I call discounted entries, to maximize your trade. Okay, to maximize the trade, as you can see. And you can see your stop loss was back here. Let's just say 20 pips, whatever, for an easy 2-to-1. You could have stopped at 40 pips and easily been out of the market, 2-to-1 trade, and on a Friday, see you. Right?
Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade.
Beautiful trade. Remember, guys, what is it again? 1 hour shark fin. Okay? That's exactly what we're looking for. Did they give 1 hour shark fins all the time? No, guys, they don't. You can see here in this bullish cycle from the trend reset, shark fin. Here's another, well, almost a shark fin. But guys, that's the reason why we teach you type 1, type 2, and type 3s, is because not all the time, just like right here, I'm about to show you again, there's another set right here that they don't always give you a 1 hour shark fin. That's when your type 1s and type 2s, type 3 come in. Okay, this trade, even though it's a 1 hour shark fin, is a type 1 trade because it broke out of Asian. It broke out of Asian and formed your price pattern outside of Asian. Okay, a type 2 forms at the high and the low of Asian. Okay, so let me break it. Let me go to 15. Okay, so in this case, let's just say this is not here, and price came up, left leg, neck, right leg, and then drop, vice versa for a buy. Okay, type 3 would be if price came up to the middle of Asian, left leg, neck, right leg, okay, and then continue down, vice versa for a buy. Okay, you need to study those because those play out all day long. Are you going to have trades every day? No. Who wants trades every day? You're exposing yourself to the market every day, and it's not good. Okay. All right, let's go to. I want to show right here exactly what they've done here. Okay. Another set, guys. Trend is your friend. Remember that. You hear that all the time. It's true. Okay. You can see here your left leg was an Asian. Okay. We came down out of Asian, made a low. This right here, guys, this whole move, you can see right here, this big candle, this big, let me get rid of this. This big candle you see right here, that was news, okay? That was core CPI news. You're probably like, well, that's USD news, Hunter. I'm like, yep, it sure is. The US dollar is the big dog, guys. It affects all currencies, okay, when the news happens. But this doesn't scare us, okay? I knew exactly what they were doing here. So if the real direction is down, and we understand that, we know that we're trading away from our peak high, right? Okay. I'm going to, when the news came out, I'm going to fake to the upside, induce traders to go long, and then I'm gonna hang out again, and then I'm gonna run the market the real way, right? Run the market the wrong way for a little shorter time to induce them to get some more orders in here, and then see you. Okay? See you. Okay, this is a, you know, ugly looking M, guys. To trade M's like this, if you're a beginner, stick with these, the ones that you can actually identify, okay, which is fine. And then you'll start to get seasoned, and then you'll start to get where you can swipe trades like this. Okay, I'm just really seasoned with the M and W patterns. I just know what they're doing at, and two, guys, it's the three things that I say all the time: pattern, timing, and your cycle. Right? We have the pattern, we have the timing, right? Are we trading the right time? Absolutely. And we know where we're at in the cycle, right? Once you establish those three things, it's cakewalk. Okay, and boom, produces. Okay, easy. You don't even have to draw this out. It's an easy 2-to-1 trade. Okay, USDCAD, same thing, guys. Boom, peak formation low. Okay, we know that. We can see right here, peak formation high. We had a big cycle down, trend reset from here all the way down here, another almost 3 times ADR. Didn't quite make it, but like I said, 70-80%. You guys can see from the high, from this trend reset down. Okay, peak formation low, multi-day W pattern. Let's rise. Let's start to catch these trades, and you can see them. It's easy. It's easy, guys. If you get a big inducement like this, and you never get your trade set, no type 1, no type 2, type 3, or a 1-hour shark fin, don't take the trade. Just wait. Just wait. If it doesn't present itself, it doesn't give you your confirmations, just wait. Okay. Here was a beautiful set. Okay, peak formation low. Okay, and then, you know, we didn't get any really sets inside of here. I'll go to 15. We'll see. But you can see there's the move. Yeah, see, we got a big rise out of here, and a big rise out of here. It was, you know, pretty much a retest of the yesterday's high, and then rise, and then we broke down, right? A massive pullback, and then look what happened. We stop hunt to the low, right? We stop hunt to the low, and then neck, right leg, and then rise. Okay.
Nice divergence there too, guys. He's getting ready to draw it up. Yep.
Boom. What do we have? Shark out of the water, back in the water. Shark out of the water, back in the water. Okay. Out of the band, in the band. If you guys hadn't heard it, we're oversold too as well. Okay. We got a good shift candle. Right there. Close above the market baseline, close above the 50 static line on the TDI, enter the trade. Discounted entries, easy 2-to-1 trade. Okay, stop loss was 25 pips for 50, easy. That, I mean, it was hit within a few hours. Okay, easy money. These are the trades you want to see, guys. These are the trades. Okay, Joe and I just wanted to shoot this video and, you know, just kind of give you a refresh of, you know, the market's not always going to be perfect, but it is up to you to identify the perfect sets. It is up to you because it is your money. You're trading your own money, right? So you need to treat this like a business. You need to treat it like this is your job. Wake up, come focused, analyze the trades. You know, when you get trades like this in front of your face, don't hesitate to take it. Take it. Okay. Joe, did I miss anything?
No, man, those are some great setups. Love it, guys. And Hunter brought something up really important too for you guys, is that when you come to trade and you're treating it like a job, you know, when you show up at your job and you bring all the baggage that you have going on in your personal life, maybe all that stuff, it affects your job too, right? And sometimes people lose their jobs because of that. Well, you've got to treat this the same way. Is like, you've got to check all of that drama, all that stuff that you have going on in your personal life. You've got to either get it cleared up before you trade, or you got to be able to check it before you start trading. Because if you're not clear-minded when you come in and see this, you know, the market's going to play games on you. And that's why the market makers are the market makers. So really important. Everything that he's talked about today, guys, he's talked about shark fins, he's talked about peak formations, he's talked about divergence. You can see the TDIs on our chart. We have videos on our channel that go into more depth on each of those things that we talked about. We've got EMAs you can see on there, the red line, the blue line, and the white line. All right, so the ketchup, the water, and the mayo. Those are all market maker EMAs, exponential moving averages. We have training videos. Go check them out. They're on our site. Guys, I can tell you this right now. All of the stuff that we teach in our academy, definitely we teach with more value in our academy. However, all the foundational things that you need to have as a market maker trader, we've done videos on them. Go check them out. And we've done live markups too, like today, checking out market maker markups and setups, trades that we've taken, trades that we went back and said, oh, we should have taken these trades, you know, that type of thing. So there's so many things in here that Hunter gave you. There's so many things that are in our channel. And then for those of you that are really ready to take your trading to a whole new level, then definitely check out our academy. We do live daily trading calls every day where you can come in and ask questions why we're trading. You can hear what trades Hunter and I are taking, all that good stuff on a daily basis. Come in, check it out. If you want to learn more about it, click the button below and check out our academy. We also, if you want something more intimate, maybe you don't want to do it in a group setting, maybe you don't want to necessarily engage in the group, that's fine. We have a one-on-one setting as well that you can check out too, where you get Hunter and I for 6 90-minute sessions where we do this all, you know, one-on-one Zoom, just you and us. So if that's something that interests you, definitely check it out. Other than that, Hunter, I'm gonna let you go ahead and finish up, man, because you were typing some stuff up while I was talking.
No, I just wanted to, you know, I was typing it up while you were talking. Is guys, this is high probability sets. Just take high probability sets. This is a type 1. Remember, like Joe said, there's foundational stuff in our other YouTube videos where you can go and learn about type 1s, type 2s, and type 3s. You know, what they look like, and we show you examples just like here. This is a type 1, out of the band, into the band, divergence, oversold, in the direction with the cycle. Remember, pattern, timing, cycle, and you will win. Right
on, guys. Well, with that, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment what you liked most about it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments as well. And make sure you hit the like button. Pound that thing for us, please. It helps us out with our YouTube rating. Our channel is growing. We've only been working on this now for a couple months, and our subscribers are growing. So that's a testament. Plus, we're getting people joining our academy from all around the world, everywhere from the UK and Australia to Canada and the domestic United States. So everything in between as well. So if we can help you guys, all you have to do is ask. That's the first thing you got to do, is reach out and ask. We'll be more than happy to help you out with your trading. Until then, Hunter,
keep pipping and dipping, guys.
Right on. We'll see you guys at the next training video. Until then, take care, guys. Bye-bye.